Someone asked.
Okay, so what gave you this bravery to come on a live here? Okay, yeah, perfect question. Are you single?
I'm single-ish.
You're single-ish?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Technically, I'm with you, but you know, say I'm with you, so I'm just try to make sure, say, we confirm it from now. So, yeah, that's the reason why I'm single-ish.
Boy, and how long have you been admiring me?
Well, I've been admiring you.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly speaking, I would say, we could do this over FaceTime or in private.
So what? But are you starting over yourself?
Yeah, you can't start something without to finish it there, you know what I mean?
No. No, you're going to leave 3,000 people curious, in suspense. Are you start this now? You say come down, New Year, and confession and all these things. Sing to my song them. Sing to my song them.
Which one you want to hear?
Sing any two of them.
You want to see my favorites?
Go ahead.
I'm messing with the same damn guy, and obviously, I love Yamabella. I think it makes sense.
Sing Yamabella. Sing Yamabella.
Them girl, Yamabella. You really want me to sing it?
Yeah.
No, I think I don't feel I eat that. No, you bring it to the fire.
No, you're not to sing this, so just sing the chorus.
I'll sing for you in private, darling.
You'll sing it for me in private?
I'll sing the song for you in private.
Okay.
But why me feel like you blush, sir?
Why you feel like me a blush?
Yeah.
Why you think I'm blushing?
Because if I'm looking at my eyes, I can't see it.
If you're looking at my eyes, I can't see it? I think upon the cheekbone, the blush show.
No, it's not from the eyes. Remember, the eyes is looking into the soul.
I not grew up in America one time.
Listen, you was living in America, wasn't you? Have you ever had a job in America?
Yes, I have.
But don't talk.
I didn't grow up here though. I work here. There's a difference.
You have enough experience here. You live in Florida. I went to high school in Florida.
But you are my sister, right?
Go ahead.
So this is it Kranium that's speaking or is it Kemar that's speaking?
It's Kemar that's speaking.
And how would I be so sure?
How would you be so sure? Because anybody met me know I'm the humblest person on earth, and Kranium doesn't matter. Kranium is only short time.
Is that so?
Positive 100%.
Okay.
And I think you should put back the yellow ear in your head. I like the yellow ear there.
You like the yellow hair?
I do, I like it.
Easy, good. And then I'll jump up on that sweet girl foot.
Yeah, the comment never kill me. Yeah, the comment never kill me.
What happened? Why are you nervous? You're scared of people?
The comment never kill me.
Afraid of people?
Yo, them people that you see them.
What am I saying?
I'm not telling a lie. You're goodly, I get couple girl over here, so right though. You gotta check your DM, man.
If it's not you in my DM, I don't want to see nobody in my DM.
I'm not gonna be in your DM. Check your DM.
No, if it's not you in my DM, I don't want to see it.
If I'm not in your DM, you don't want to see it? Why? Why?
Because only you spark me interest at this moment.
So what you want me for?
Why I want you?
Yeah, why do you want me?
Why wouldn't I want you?
Why do you want me? What is your reason?
What is my reason? What is my reason?
But she's not depressing. Yeah, what is the reason?
I reach a point in my life where I know a bright future look like.
What is it?
I reach a point in my life where I know what a bright future look like.
And I look like a bright future to you? No, I'm asking. I'm just
no, you pass bright in a headlight right now.
Bright than a headlight?
Bright in a headlight, darling.
Like the stadium light them over the stadium?
That's not bright enough. Heaven gates.
Heaven gates. Heaven gates.
Give me the spot.
That bright body, no?
Very bright.
That bright. The lyrics?
You say what?
Lyrics?
Which is lyrics? No matter. He said speak the truth so your heart can be free, you know, so I'm speaking the truth.
So you say you have to let your heart free before 2021.
Yeah, I forget it. Oh, you have to speak your mind. You have to be honest. You have to be bold and upfront with the thing. That's from a little point I can tell you, sir. That thing I got normal, you know.
What abnormal about it?
Huh?
What abnormal about it?
Everything. Everything's abnormal about it. It's not the same.
I want them put it in a room.
Huh?
I want them put it in a room today.
Ain't nothing in my room. Why? Can I tell the truth?
Don't stop. So you publicly came on the live to say what? So you're publicly forward on the live for what? For do what?
To say that if it ain't you, ain't nobody else.
To say what?
If it ain't you, it's nobody else.
You're brave, dude.
It's not bravery.
It's brave. Isn't it courage? It doesn't take courage to do that.
Do you consider courage or bravery?
It's courage. It takes courage to do that, along with maybe other factors.
I don't think so. I don't think that has anything to do with it. I think it all has to do with honesty and setting your soul free. Don't walk with the baggage, you know. Just let have some weight the half of your shoulder and just get it out.
Okay.
You know, I saw you the other day.
You saw me the other day?
Yeah, I did. I was in Kingston. I started walking on
Yeah.
This is the right person right now.
Which story you see me work with?
We're not doing a free promotion. If it have nothing to do with you, I don't need to do a free promotion for you.
No, but which store? Which store you see me work with?
Are you walking out of a specific store? I won't say what it is, but from a see I walk past me, I say, yeah. You never hear the song, My God is an awesome God, we praise. You heard the song before? Okay, well, when you see it, that's the first thing that comes to my mind.
Okay.
And the greatest thing about it, 15 years from now, people are going to say, I witnessed that shit. You never know say love can last that long.
The girl that come like a loyal girl, because song them should sing.
But honestly, I'm sorry. Sometimes weren't you in a store coming out in Kingston we did a makeup store? Like 6 days ago, 7 days ago.
I did do my makeup at a store.
Yep. I miss you in real life. We never actually officially met because me in the car, I was to talk to you, but I was like, you know what? Let us give her space and her pace to do what she had to do because I don't know if it was a rush, but I honestly saw it.
Okay.
I mean, I said, oh, she look good.
So with all this talking that you're doing right now, you think I'm still not convinced.
What, you're not convinced? It's not about convincing, it's about feelings. If you feel it, that's not what matters. It's not about convincing, I'm not here to convince you. So when somebody try to convince, that means